Hey, I'm Brett Rohlfing from I said Orlando, that's awesome. Right. Brett Rohlfing from Auburndale, Florida, and this is Dude Bird.
Hey, my name is Spencer Foresman. I'm from Tampa, Florida.
I'm Cabe Crisler, and I'm from Gainesville, Florida.
We should have brought Lou Bickle. He wanted to come.
Dave Mahoney. I'm from Maitland, Florida.
Hi, I'm Paul Radosevich from Cleveland, Ohio.
Jordan Poop. I'm ready for.
My name is Zack Gerber. I'm from Ridgeway, Pennsylvania. Yeah, Dude Bird.
Let's retrace where they scrawled ancient characters. As two and your sisters slip, it falls, and the afternoon crawls across the room and tackles her. I don't think that you would sink that ship that's all passing through, 'cause I don't believe that you might be a murderess. But it's all inside each small
Rohlfing, blind to his own face, blind to the world, blind to the human race. Does it possess a man? Is it pride? Make a person think in numbers, think in terms of signs and wonders. Oh well. What good are plowshares? Plowshares. If we use them like swords, use them like swords. Songs for the harvest. No, no, no. We ain't got much more. Oh, no, we ain't got much more. What is it, rose? That's a man, is it truth? Make a person cold to cry, cold to suffering or cold to die. Or does it possess a man? Is it fate? Make a person give up on time, give in the shadows or give out its spine. Well, what good are plowshares? Plowshares. If we use them like swords, well, use them like swords. Songs for the harvest. No, no, no. We ain't got much more. Oh, no, we ain't got much more. We ain't got much more.
Like to think we could form a more perfect union. A generation's mistakes help us weather the bad seasons. And you expect nothing, then you'll just get that much. They expect nothing, then they'll just get that much. Think I'm getting a bit better at risk assessment. A little more money and time, make a better investment. They put in nothing, then they'll just get that much. If you put in nothing, then you'll just get that much. All the kids are setting low standards. Disappointing, but at least they have that. Must be exciting to get what you want when you got open minds, low expectations. Take a shot in the dark, take a look at your past. My track record sucks, don't think I don't know it. I expect something, won't settle for less. And you expect nothing, but we just get this mess. All the kids are setting those standards. Disappointing, but at least they have that. Must be exciting to get what you want when you got open minds, low expectations. All the kids are setting those standards. Disappointing, but at least they have that. Must be exciting to get what you want when you got open minds. All the kids are setting those standards. Disappointing, but at least they have that. Must be exciting to get what you want when you got open minds. It's like to think we could form a more perfect union.
曲がった蓋凍らせて焦げた匂いが薄めた